Do you need an ambulance to come check you out?
Yeah, I'm bleeding.
Okay.
You're bleeding where?
My arm.
No, it's just a superficial scratch. Like there's nothing to bandage, man.
Hi y'all, how's it going? This is Eric Cardenas. I am an attorney with Attorney Tom and Associates, and this is another episode of Attorney Reacts. Today I will be reacting to a video titled The Most Annoying Gang Member Ever, Bodycam, by the channel Police Insider. This is a video from March 15, 2023, so let's get into it.
I'm at 245 Silver Spring Street. 245 Silver Spring Street. Stand by. Hey, Torian? Are you Torian? Hey, do me a favor. Get back in the car. No, just get back in the car. I'll let you know. Romeo, Quebec, uniform 3632. RQU 3632 and a gray Chevy Malibu. Hey, how you doing, man? What's your name, man? Torian? You look like Torian. Can I see your license, please? So, okay, I'm not saying you weren't. I need to see your license. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm telling you. You don't have your license on you? You don't? Step out. Face away. You're just being detained right now. You're not under arrest. You just being detained. Don't fight with me, bro. Stand up, turn around.
You know, quick reminder for all y'all, even though everyone that watches this channel is aware, in order for a police officer to conduct a stop, they must have probable cause and reasonable suspicion. These are the two standards that must be met in order for a traffic stop to take place. You know, probable cause is a higher standard, requires that they have a reasonable belief that a crime is being committed, and reasonable suspicion is a lower threshold and only requires that the officer has a belief that the person may be involved in criminal activity. Here, they're looking for someone named Torrin Clark, and this person is saying that they aren't. So in this situation, if the officer believes that this is Torrin Clark, who is someone who was a gang member, you know, had previous felonies, was on probation, you know, they likely have the reasonable suspicion and enough of the elements to conduct this stop and to detain.
He is wanted, so you're being detained right now, so I determine that you're not him. You understand? Keep your hand behind your back. Don't. Please relax.
I'm relaxing, bro. I'm just wanting to know why. No, I'm not detained.
Get up against the car. You're just being detained. Bro, do not fight me, bro. You understand me?
Can I get the cigarette out my mouth?
No, keep it in your mouth right now. Most people want it in their mouth.
Damn, bro. What am I being detained for, though?
Bro.
Damn, I'm not running.
Bro.
I just want to know what I'm being detained
Don't do it,
for.
bro. Don't do it, bro.
Can I put my pants up?
No.
My pants? Come
Stop
on,
fighting
man.
me, bro.
I'm not fighting you, bro. I'm
Keep your hands behind your back so I can detain you.
Man. I don't want no trouble. I'm not doing nothing, bro. Can I know what you're doing this for?
The officer's body camera fell off as he tried to chase Torrin. He was eventually caught, tackled to the ground, and handcuffed by the officer.
Hey, right here, come to the back of the neighborhood. You go straight up.
So it looks like the friend here picked up the body camera and the body camera fell off.
You got it in your hands.
Hey, say where you at.
Look up.
If you don't mind. You got your license on you? I'm not fighting with you right now, bro, about this.
No, bro.
Morning, 455, code 4. Channel 1.
You know, with body cameras, obviously the policy reason behind them and the benefit is that they can provide direct objective evidence of either something that went wrong on the side of the police officer or something that went wrong on the side of the accused, the suspect. But yeah, I mean, the fact that it fell off here, it looks like we still were able to get a lot of the images of what happened because of the police officer, you know, the police car's camera. You know, if I'm Torrin's lawyers in the future, I'm saying, hey, there was excessive use of force here, and we just don't know if that force was necessary because we didn't have the body camera on. And I'm also looking in to see, hey, do body cameras fall off often here? Is this an equipment issue? Is this a systemic issue? What's the reason that this camera fell off? Because obviously there needs to be public trust and just transparency that these body cameras are being used for their reason, which is to promote trust and promote objectivity and to provide good evidence.
Alice 1.
Hungover. Tell me your name.
No.
So what's your name? Huh? Where's your license at? Where's it
I
at?
got ID on me, bro.
It's in your pocket? Which pocket is it in? Huh?
Inside, bro.
Inside this one?
No. It's not on me right there, bro. I just told you.
Where?
Bro, I don't know. Look at you. It ain't there, bro. It ain't there. Hey, pictures. Go to the picture. Let me see.
Yes.
Take my money, man.
I'm not taking your money.
Look, please, look. You
What's your last name, Torian?
undo the belt, bro. Please. Before you pull it, can you do the belt, bro?
All right, now.
It's got my nuts clapping in the belt.
We're gonna move the cuss behind you. Don't fight me. Don't fight me. I'm gonna put your cuss behind you.
Please. Wow.
So just to go back, I want to touch on the search that just happened. Again, under the Fourth Amendment of the Constitution, we're all protected against unreasonable searches and seizures. In order to be searched and seized the way that Torrance just was, the police officer has to have probable cause or your consent to search you or the property. And so here, obviously, Torrance was not consenting to the search, but, you know, the police officer had probable cause that crime had been committed, and that arose pretty clearly once Torrance fled from the scene and tried to resist arrest. So yeah, so the probable cause there would probably be enough to conduct that search to see if there's any weapons or any drugs or anything like that that could lead to, you know, that could give evidence to whatever crime was being committed by Torrance, you know, why he ran, etc.
I'm gonna take it off one of your arms,
I ain't doing none of
and
that.
we're gonna put it behind you. You understand?
You with him?
Yeah.
Get you have a seat right here, man.
Have a seat on
Yeah, have a seat right there.
So I'm gonna ask you one more time. If you lie to me, it's gonna be another charge, false name, date of birth. What is your name? First, last.
Now you done tackled the hell out of me. Now you asking who I am?
Yeah.
How? Is your body cam on?
My body cam is on. Tell me your name.
Is it being recorded?
Tell me your name.
Could you tell me what I'm being arrested for?
You're not gonna tell me what your name is?
Would you tell me what I'm being arrested for?
Felony probation violation. I gotta confirm you are who I thought you were before you took off on me. What is your name? Because you told me your name was something else before I asked you. I'm gonna run the body cam back, and I'm gonna charge you with false name, date of birth. You gonna have another one.
Do what you gotta do. Y'all gonna kidnap me? Y'all kidnapping me? Y'all not letting me know nothing.
You're not gonna tell me your name?
You're
not gonna tell me your name?
I am that I am.
1073.
I'm good.
1019 PD lobby.
055 797
I'm not on probation.
074.
I'm
Torian
not even
Clark.
on probation.
Okay, so here they're back on the topic. Are you required to disclose your name when engaged in a traffic stop? Another video I recently reacted to involved an Alabama traffic stop. And in Alabama, they actually have a law regarding when you have to furnish your name and license. Usually it's in a public place. Usually you have to do it if they think that crime is being committed in this public place. And usually you're more protected in your home. But in this situation here, you know, we're in the public. He's driving. I'm not sure which state this is in. Unless the state doesn't have a law required to provide his name, information, date of birth, etc. And falsifying your name, especially when a police officer is conducting a valid traffic stop, which seems to be the case here so far. You know, we're probably looking at a separate charge of, now falsifying name, giving a false name, date of birth, etc. It's a large part of what led to this escalation here. So
real quick, I just wanted to say that Attorney Tom / Attorney Reacts content is now on Spotify. We just launched a partnered show, link in the description. Go check it out. Now back to the video.
My glasses
That's you.
over there.
You Torian.
You heard me?
You going
My
to
glasses
arrest.
over there, man.
Cool. I'll tell you what happened. I'm gonna roll the window up.
Glasses. Get my glasses.
I haven't ID'd him yet. Can you ID him,
I'm legally
please?
blind, bro. I'm legally blind.
Help! 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 Come on, man! Come on! Come on, man! Come on!
that is not... I don't have to comment too much on why that is not allowed. Hopefully they don't get him on destruction of government property as well.
You want to fasten him in so we can't do that?
Let me see what his problem is.
What's up, bro?
I'm legally blind. My glasses is over there.
All right, we'll get him.
Could
You gonna
get
relax?
them now?
Hold on a second.
Cause I just asked.
Their glasses, you don't need to see in the back of the
I
patrol
don't.
car.
I'm not able to see.
We will get your glasses
I'm
for you.
panicking, man.
But right now,
y'all
man,
look like blurs around me, man. And I need my glasses.
we will get you glasses, but you're not gonna damage the patrol
Mom, I need
car.
my glasses, man. These folks talking about I got a warrant for my arrest. I don't know. They not just talking about probation. I'm not on probation.
Hey, man.
It's my probation, man.
Calm down and don't damage
Y'all
the
ain't got
patrol car.
my glasses over there, mama. I can't see over there. Wherever he tackled me at.
I'm gonna fasten him, man. Can
I'm
you,
not, man. I don't need all that, man. Go ahead.
I didn't ask you
don't
what you
it,
need.
though. Go ahead. I ain't finna do nothing crazy, man. I just can't see, man. I can't see, man. I cannot see, bro.
I'm not hurting your son, man.
He ain't hurting me,
I got an
man. I
ambulance
just
on the
need
way.
my glasses.
Okay, calm down.
Do you need an ambulance too to come check you out?
Yeah, I'm bleeding.
Okay.
Where?
My arm.
Oh, come on. Don't hurt my son.
Brandon.
Your son's not hurt, man.
Too many people get hurt.
Your son's not hurt, man. Your son's fine.
Last name Clark.
I don't think so. Give name, date of birth.
He gave me Brandon Clark. 5/20/91. She said that's one of the aliases on the 99.
We just gonna detain you for right now until we determine
we gotta
who you are,
detain
okay?
you. So I'm not gonna get locked up.
We just gotta
detain.
just gonna be detaining you
Detain and
until we
arrest.
determine who you are, okay?
Okay.
Man, you lying, bro. I ain't got no man. Mama, they told me they had drugs on me, man. Mama.
His last name is Clark.
Mama, this man just said he had drugs on me, man. He ain't had no drugs on me, man. I promise. He did not get no drugs off me. He just said he found drugs on me, man. Mom, this man just said he got drugs off me. I swear he ain't getting no drugs off
Not
me,
seen
man.
any drugs yet in the body cam footage or anything so far, so that's something that may be a dispute if there's no other footage showing when they found the drugs on him, because as of this point I think the audience, myself, haven't seen any use of drugs.
Calm down. Calm down, okay? Hey!
Man, this man just lied, bro. Say. He ain't getting no drugs off me, man. He took everything out my pocket already, man. Officer! Officer!
I don't sell drugs, so I don't give a f***. I don't do drugs, I don't sell drugs, ain't no way. Way to run that body cam back, see if you got it off me. Oh damn well. Lying, bro. He lying, bro. Get no f***ing drugs off me, man.
Where you headed? The house right there?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's hit the cul-de-sac and make a loop.
Officer! Officer! Could you put my glasses back on? Will you please?
It was
Bro, did you hear what happened? So you know I'm prior probation parole, right? I had one of my guys send me a list of all the gang members in our city, and there's only 2 on the list that came up wanted. So I'm gonna do a drive by on the house, see what I can see. I see if I can see a car in the driveway, so I know what to look out for if he's on the road. If it's on the road, drove by, car's in the driveway. He is in the car when I drive by. So I took a little spot from concealment. He pulls out a minute later, literally. He looks like the dude in the picture that's wanted, felony probation violation. And then I get him out. He doesn't have his ID. He refuses to identify himself. You're gonna be detained. That's when I let him break it. We have another charge.
Hey! I'm up here yelling. I'm trying to get y'all attention.
What's going on there?
My glasses fell on the ground on the other side. Can you put them back on my face?
You just banging something against the window.
No, I wasn't banging them. Huh?
I'm not about to put something back on your face if you're gonna knock them off.
I'm not gonna do that. I try to get y'all attention. I'm bleeding out here. Medical
We
ain't
have
so
an
up
ambulance
yet.
on the way, man.
All right.
Glasses on his face.
Could you get them on the other side?
You gonna throw them off?
No, I'm not. I just
So
look.
if you act up again, you're gonna catch another charge for damaging government
I ain't
property.
doing that. I ain't gonna do nothing like that, man. I'm just trying to see what. Look, I know that. With y'all, okay, that right there. Okay, but look, all this other stuff going on. I'm trying to figure out why am I? They just told y'all they're not accepting me because of COVID.
You still have charges.
What charges?
The other officer will explain your charges on the way to the jail.
So is it what kind of charges though?
I don't know. I'm not the officer there.
Because I ran.
Probably one of them. You're probably gonna have an obstruction charge. If he stopped you on a traffic stop, he said you had to suspend the license. That'd be another charge.
Is my license suspended?
That's what he said.
You didn't tell me that.
And then you lied about who you were.
I
That's
didn't
another charge.
lie. I didn't lie who I was. He asked me who I am. I said I am that I am. I didn't lie. He said my Torian clock. I said what? What's going on?
It was in the vicinity that you ran from him in.
That what they got to do with me? My glasses was too.
There you go. Everything that's in that.
He snatched everything out my pocket. Right then and there. I ain't have nothing. I ain't have no drugs on me, man.
Alright, can you get his glasses
So
out
it
the other
sounds like
floorboard?
maybe when he was running, he did
on the
try
other
to
side?
get
You hear what I said
drugs.
though?
Yeah.
He didn't get no drugs off of me. I didn't have no drugs on me. That my glasses fell off when he tackled me.
That's my
snatched everything out of my pocket. And then the other officer held me while he snatched everything else out of my pocket.
Doesn't mean you didn't throw it when you ran.
I didn't have nothing in my hand.
I can't.
He had a body cam on.
Then therefore we can watch his body cam.
All right, that'll be cool. That's cool.
That's cool. But hey, y'all gonna charge me with that anyway?
You can't charge it if we don't know what it is, right? So
I don't know. I'm asking whatever it is.
I just said we can't charge you with it if we don't know what it is. So therefore, it's going to get sent off to the GBI crime lab, and then it's going to be tested. If it comes back as an illegal controlled substance, therefore you will be charged.
How? If we didn't get it, I didn't.
I just explained to you
I don't
the vicinity of
understand.
the area you ran.
It was in the vicinity where I tackled you. What does that mean? I don't. Can I talk to him? Can I talk to him, please? What's up? Can I?
You gonna act full again?
No.
Okay, roll your window down. So you can roll your window down.
If I'm Turin's lawyer, I'm a little upset watching this body cam footage. Everyone has the right to remain silent, and that is the reason why I wouldn't be happy. You know, you have the right to remain silent per the 5th Amendment of the Constitution. During a police encounter, you're allowed to protect yourself from self-incrimination, and it's not about hiding anything from the court or anything like that, or you don't have to feel uncomfortable about it. Just say you unintentionally say something because you're nervous or you're anxious. I mean, here he was saying everyone's blurry. In that situation, you may slip and say something that gets you in trouble when you didn't actually even commit this crime. I mean, here we heard Turin say that he had no drugs and then he ran away. You know, so he already right there just admitted to running away from the police. He's also just sharing information and just like all this information that didn't have to be shared. You know, if I'm him, I'm silent from the beginning. He knew, you know, obviously in his mind, he thinks that he wasn't committing some sort of crime, but you know, here he probably just should have stayed silent anyway, especially with his criminal past and his history. He's probably dealt with lawyers before, but I mean, the best situation here is just, it isn't about hiding wrongdoing. It's about protecting yourself and your rights. You have the right to remain silent. You're going to be more protected, you know, the less you say, especially in a situation like this, and let your lawyer handle it later. That's why you have these rights. That's why we have lawyers in this situation. It's one thing I would have been definitely not happy with.
What's up? I'm trying to figure out the whole full, like, you said I had a warrant for my arrest. For probation.
Felony probation violation for armed robbery.
That was...
You're on felony probation for armed robbery, are you not? You still on probation for
Armed robbery.
She said
You got a warrant, you got a
probation
warrant.
until 2024, like I just told you.
Yeah.
Oh, you got 2 cases actually. Yep.
What 2 cases?
Felony cases that you're on probation for.
Yeah, I know that. That's what I'm saying.
You know it now.
No, I know
10
that.
minutes ago you didn't, but you were saying that you wasn't. You're working the damn floor right now, bro. This all could have been avoided. You would be walking away right now had you not ran from me.
Man, I was nervous as hell, man. I ain't know what the hell
I'm
you
just letting you know.
for me.
So future, I'm just saying, future reference.
This shit fucking me up, man.
Future reference, you probably ain't gonna want to do that, so you can walk away. But now you're going to jail.
Look what's happening now, bro. I'm gonna be locked up, man.
Because you wanted to run.
Man, y'all the police, man.
I'm scared of police.
I'm scared the hell of the police, man.
Okay.
It's just a scratch. Like,
Is it from the cuffs?
no, it's just a superficial scratch. Like, there's nothing to bandage, man.
All right, let's
no
go,
blood
man.
dripping.
All right. Don't make me fall, though.
Okay.
All right.
Thanks, ma'am.
Come on, you had me damn pinned down, man. Officer, say, Mr. Flowers, you had me pinned down, man. My arms was under your knee, man.
Turin was charged with illegal possession of a controlled substance, obstructing law enforcement, giving false name, and driving while license suspended.
A little something on use of force there. You know, you had your knee on me and you were holding me down. He didn't end up having many injuries other than the superficial scratch as discussed in the video. But, you know, use of force is just basically, it's also a tricky thing to analyze. It's kind of a scale depending on how severe the crime is being committed is and whether the use of force is necessary to stop that crime. Again, there, Turin was running. He was fleeing from the police officer. Police officer tackled him to stop him and handcuff him. So probably wouldn't be much of a use of force argument there. All right, y'all, that was another episode of Attorney Reacts. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. Please go like, follow, and find us on YouTube, Facebook, Attorney Reacts. This is Eric Cardenas, attorney with Attorney Tom & Associates, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.
Big verdict.